Welcome back to Car Fusion, where we bring you the hottest rides, the freshest designs, and the most exciting tech from the automotive world. And today we're diving into something truly bold, the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride. It's big, it's confident, and it's ready to take over the road with style, power, and luxury. If you're looking for a three-row SUV that turns heads while keeping your family safe, comfortable, and connected, the 2026 Telluride might just be your dream car. Let's buckle up and take a deep look at everything the new Telluride has to offer. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Telluride, it speaks one word: dominance. This SUV isn't just redesigned, it's reimagined. The front fascia gets a modern update with a bolder grille, sleek vertical LED headlights, and a more aggressive stance that commands attention. Kia has sharpened the lines across the body, giving the Telluride a more muscular and chiseled look, without losing its premium identity. The new Aero-style 21-inch alloy wheels and smoke taillights complete the bold profile, while the blacked-out trim options scream rugged sophistication. And yes, for those who love off-road flair, the 2026 Telluride X Pro trim now comes with enhanced ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and an exclusive dark chrome finish. It's a design that blends elegance and adventure in perfect balance. Step inside and you'll enter a world that feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. The 2026 Telluride's cabin has been upgraded with premium materials, ambient LED lighting, and real wood and metal accents. Everything is tailored to give you that upscale experience without the luxury price tag. The star of the cabin? A stunning new curved panoramic display that blends a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system **, a true tech masterpiece. It floats across the dash like a piece of art. And for the comfort seekers, the 2026 Telluride offers ventilated and heated seats in all three rows, optional Napa leather upholstery, and an ultra-quiet cabin that isolates you from the world outside. Whether it's a quick grocery run or a cross-country road trip, the Telluride ensures every journey feels first class. Now let's talk about what lies under the hood. The 2026 Kia Telluride sticks with its tried-and-true 3.8-liter V6 engine, producing a confident 291 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. It's powerful, smooth, and well-tuned for both city drives and highway cruising. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Telluride delivers buttery shifts and a responsive driving experience. Front-wheel drive is standard, but the available active all-wheel drive system with snow mode and torque vectoring brings added confidence on slippery roads or rough terrain. And yes, it's still a serious hauler, offering a 500-pound towing capacity in the X Pro model. So whether it's a boat, camper, or trailer, the Telluride handles it like a pro. In the world of tech, the 2026 Telluride is simply ahead of the game. It's packed with advanced features to keep you connected, informed, and entertained. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. There's also multi-device Bluetooth connectivity, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and an upgraded premium Harman Kardon sound system that turns your favorite songs into an in-car concert. Want more? You get a head-up display, digital rearview mirror, and even fingerprint recognition start for added personalization and security. Rear passengers aren't left out either. There's USB-C charging ports in every row, and optional dual rear entertainment screens to keep everyone happy on long drives. When it comes to safety, Kia continues to raise the bar. The 2026 Telluride is equipped with the brand's latest DriveWise suite of safety features, including forward collision avoidance with junction turning **, blind spot view monitor **, smart cruise control with machine learning **, lane following assist **, highway driving assist 2 **, offering semi-autonomous driving on the freeway. What's new is the predictive collision avoidance system, which can now detect potential risks several cars ahead by analyzing traffic patterns. It's like having a co-pilot with superhuman reflexes. With these features, you're not just driving, you're being protected at every turn. The 2026 Telluride comes in a wide range of trims, from the value-packed LX and S, to the upscale EX, luxurious SX, and the adventure-ready X-Line and X Pro. Kia has managed to keep the pricing extremely competitive. Expect the base LX to start around $38,000, while the top-tier SX Prestige X Pro comes in just under $55,000. A fantastic deal considering the premium features and performance you get. So what do we think of the 2026 Kia Telluride? In one word, outstanding It's bold in style, refined in comfort, loaded with advanced tech, and delivers power and peace of mind in equal measure. Kia has once again shown the world that you don't need a luxury badge to drive a premium SUV. If you're in the market for a 3-row SUV that's ready for anything, daily commutes, family road trips, or off-road adventures, the new Telluride deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for riding with Car Fusion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling car reviews. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your wheels moving forward.